Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Positive Vibes with Sim. Today in my kitchen I've made delicious and mouth-watering pineapple jam. Our easy recipe for pineapple jam calls for just few ingredients. If you have never made the jam before in your life, this pineapple jam is the place to start. Thinly cut the skin from top to bottom, wasting little as possible. Start cutting the eye of the pineapple from the middle. Always remove the eye of the pineapple in a slanting line direction. I continue cutting, following the curve to the bottom of the pineapple. Now go to the next slanting line and remove the eye till the bottom of the pineapple. This is the easy way to remove the eye of the pineapple. Cut the pineapple and remove the core of the pineapple, that is hard part. Blend it in a blender without adding water and coarsely blend the pineapple like I am showing. After blending, I measured the pineapple juice. I got totally 5 cups of pineapple juice. 1 cup measured 250 ml. For 5 cups of pineapple juice, I am adding 5 cups of sugar. If you want to reduce the sugar, you can reduce the sugar to 3/4 cup or half cup, but sugar always helps to preserve the jam. After the sugar dissolve, add 10 cloves and 3 to 4 inch of cinnamon stick. This gives a good flavor to the jam. Now you have to reduce to a string consistency. Now let's check whether we have the string consistency or not. And we have not yet got the string consistency, so further reduce it. After the few minutes of boiling, now check the consistency. Now you can see the string consistency coming through. This is the perfect consistency you need. Switch off the flame, don't cook it further because the jam will become thick. Take the wooden cutting board and always use the clean and dry sterilized glass jar for jam and keep a dry steel spoon in the jar. This will help to cut the heat of the boiling jam and your jar will not break. Or add the jam into a bottle after it is cooled down. I have uploaded few other jam recipes. The link will be in the description box below. The sugar will act as a preservative, so no need to keep the jam in the refrigerator. You can keep it out. If you like the recipes I'm sharing, please do consider to like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching.